Hey everyone. Welcome welcome back if you're new here. My name is Abigail and I make videos about special needs and about gastroparesis. So, if you've been reading about how I've been doing, I told y'all about me being sick, which if you can't tell, which you probably can, I am still sick. We've been having a virus go around our house, or I'm guessing it's a virus. My older brother and my mom have both been sick. They're both better now, but my older brother got sick first, and then my mom got sick, and now I'm sick. So we're guessing it's probably like a virus or something. We haven't all had the same symptoms, but I've been pretty miserable yesterday. I only ate like one meal the entire day, and it was noodles. I think it was actually goulash. I had some goulash, and that's like all I ate the entire day. Besides, I had like some coffee that morning, and obviously like some water. But as far as like eating something, I haven't felt like eating. I've been very tired. I've had a really bad cough, a really bad sore throat. It's just, I've had the chills. I've just not been feeling good at all. But a few days ago, I got some diamond art. I think I've already shown you all, but I've been working on that here and there. Since I've been feeling like laying around anyway, I've been working on that when I've been out of bed. I'm really hoping that I get better soon because my birthday is like, I think like 9 days away from today. I'm hoping this whatever I have doesn't last much longer. I've been trying to take it easy. I've been napping a lot. Can't tell from the camera angle, but I'm having a pajama day, obviously, because I'm sick. I did get up and brush my hair today, and I braided it. This is the first day I brushed my hair in probably like a day. I just haven't felt good, but I knew that if I went too many days without brushing it, it'd get really tangled. So I brushed my hair and I braided it. I know it doesn't look that great because I've been laying around, but it's at least braided. Let's see, what else have I been doing? I've been watching a lot of YouTube and stuff because I have a smart TV in my room. I've been watching some shows with my little brother, but because I've been feeling so bad, I've mostly laid in my bed. I'll get up and I'll go to the couch to have a different position, and I'll just almost fall asleep. It's been pretty miserable. I don't know what I have, but I feel horrible. This morning I did take some medicine for the chills, so I've been feeling shaky. But then when I put a blanket on, I'm hot, so yeah. I don't know how much I'll film up until I feel a lot better, but my plan was to not even film this video because obviously I'm sick, but I kind of wanted to talk about in detail what's been going on other than the fact that I'm sick. As far as my birthday, I'm not going to vlog it because I spend time with family and I don't really put them on video because my channel is, about me and stuff. Plus, I don't want it to be awkward where they feel like they have to be on camera. I'm not that kind of person, but I am planning on doing like what I got for my birthday. And then because my grandma gives me birthday money, I am planning on buying some things online and having them shipped to our house. So I'm also planning on doing um, like what I bought online, you know, that would be technically from my grandma. Um, so I am planning on doing that video. That way you can all see what I got. And plus, I like those kind of videos because then I remember what I got each year for my birthday, because sometimes as the years pass, I forgot what I got for each year. So anyways, I just wanted to do a quick update. Thank you all for your understanding and your patience. Obviously, because I sound like this, I don't know how much I'm going to be filming, but I decided to do a little bit of a sick vlog today since I'm not feeling well. So anyways, in the comments down below, put some good vibes for me to feel better, and I'll see y'all when I can. Bye, everyone.